Magandang agham Pilipinas, nitong February 3, inaprubahan na sa ikatlo at huling pagbasa sa Senado ang Senate Bill 2893 o ang Virology Institute of the Philippines o VIP Act. At bilang paghahanda sa Bicameral Conference Committee meeting, nagsagawa ng inspeksyon ang ilang kawani ng Department of Science and Technology at Committee on Science and Technology mula sa Kamara at Senado dito sa VIP site sa New Clark City sa Capas Tarlac nitong March 7. Dumalo rin sa site inspection ang ilang kawani mula sa Bases Conversion and Development Authority at Department of Public Works and Highways Region 3. Bukod sa konstruksyon ng VIP site, mayroon ding hiwalay na gusali para sa magiging dormitoryo at cafeteria ng mga researcher, scientist at iba pang magiging kawani ng Virology Institute. Sa pamamagitan ng Virology Institute of the Philippines, mas mapapalalim nito ang mga pag-aaral at pananaliksik tungkol sa mga virus at pathogen na nagdudulot ng sakit sa tao, hayop at halaman.
Of course, we all know that because of what happened during the COVID-19 pandemic, we realized that we didn't have the capacity to develop vaccines. So because of that felt need, and we experienced the need during the COVID-19 pandemic, we really pushed for the creation of the Virology and Vaccine Institute of the Philippines. Virology because it looks at the viruses, vaccines because it looks at vaccine development, but not only for preventing human disease, but also preventing animal and plant disease.
Pinangungunahan ng DOST Industrial Technology Development Institute ang proyekto kung kaya't magsisilbing attached agency ng DOST ang VIP. Layon din ng VIP na bumuo ng mga programa sa pagtuklas ng mga virus at pathogen gamit ang moderno mga pasilidad dito na tututok sa molecular biology. Target din ng institusyon na bumuo ng bakuna at iba pang mga lunas sa sakit na dulot ng virus. Umaasa naman si Director Lita Suerte Felipe na maisasagawa ang Bicameral Conference Committee meeting sa lalong madaling panahon para ganap na maisabatas ang VIP Act bago pa magtapos ang 19th Congress.
I guess under the Balik Scientist program, there are Balik scientists who have expressed desire to really work sa BIP once the institute is created. So we have a number of experts willing to help in the virology and vaccine program of the country. So I guess we're in good hands pagka na-approve na yung batas.
Sa pamamagitan nito, inaasahang matutugunan ng Virology Institute of the Philippines ang panibagong banta ng mga sakit at epidemya sa hinaharap. At yan ang aking balitagham sa araw na ito. Ako po si Christian Caragayan, delivering science for the people, one DOST for you.